Bitcoin is looking good once again. Guys, it's been the same story for the last couple of weeks here. Bitcoin trending higher. Bitcoin trying to break out. Bitcoin sitting at $119,000 this morning. Green on the day. And hopefully, now, I might be getting ahead of myself, right? But hopefully, looking to break that all-time high. $120,000 Bitcoin is going to allow us to break that resistance. Now, I know that it wicked up to 123, but as you can see, all of these candle bodies here having a hard time at 120. If that gets broken, we could be on the next leg up. This bull market could just be beginning. Guys, we've seen this as well. We've been ticking from about a level of 40 to 50 every day for the last 4 days. Altcoin season is trying to get started as well. And with it, we've got a lot of gains to go. Now, we're going to be talking a little bit about Shiba Inu coin in this video and a potential 126% rally. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I am excited about this price action. You know, we haven't seen a market this robust in terms of altcoins and Bitcoin, right? Meme coins did very well at the end of 2024. And they had their little explosive run, but I believe that we could be setting the stage for an even bigger run in the upcoming months here. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that altcoin season has not begun, but things are looking very good. The market is nowhere near overheated, and Shiba Inu coin is expected to see a 126% rally. But I want to show you this graph. Now, if you've been watching my videos over the last couple of days, you've seen this graph already. This is probably the best graph that I have ever seen in terms of anticipated gains. This is Google Trend Analytics for the search term altcoins, okay? And this is showing us right now at a level of, sometimes it's very hard, 50, that altcoins are among the highest searched that they have ever been. Level of 61 back in May of 2021 when everything was exploding higher. And of course, they were roughly at a level of 50, 47 during the peak of the bull market in 2021. But we are right there. But Google anticipates a near doubling over the next week for altcoin search volume. And if they are correct in their anticipation, we could see prices soaring as well. This could be setting up the perfect recipe for massive gains, not just in altcoins, but meme coins should follow as well. Meme coin search volume ticking up, but it's nowhere near all-time highs. We have got a long way to go, and we have got massive gains to follow as well. So with that, I'm buying, right? And it might sound crazy. I'm not buying as much Bitcoin right now. I feel like Bitcoin will eventually become saturated. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't make money, right? I still believe that Bitcoin is going to go to $150,000 to potentially $200,000 in this bull market. But I believe the altcoins and meme coins are where the real opportunity is at the moment. So with that, I am buying more altcoins and I am buying more meme coins. You know what? I haven't added any Shiba Inu coin in probably about 2 weeks, but I am continuing to diversify my portfolio. So these analysts believe that it's provided a bullish outlook for Shiba Inu coin, predicting an explosive rally. Their prediction comes as Shiba Inu coin surpasses Litecoin to become the 18th spot on the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The analyst predicts that Shiba Inu coin could record a 126% rally to 3,500 points per coin from its current level. Now, the analyst noted that Shiba Inu coin has printed confirmed weekly bullish divergence in the relative strength index. The top meme coin is now attempting to overcome the weekly 200-day exponential moving average resistance. And as it attempted that, it was above it for about 2 days, came back down below it. A nice confirmation and break above that 200-day exponential and simple. They're about the same level right now. Moving average could lead to a major rally. All at a time when the indicators are pointing towards explosive growth and being nowhere near overheated at the moment with a level of 67 greed. Now, another token that I am loading up on is Bitcoin Hyper. If you guys have not seen Bitcoin Hyper, I've got a couple videos on this one as well. In the next 3 hours and 25 minutes, the price is going to rise again. And they've already raised $4.6 million. Now, it's very easy. You could buy with crypto or buy with card. Either way, you connect your wallet. You simply scan this QR code with the wallet on your phone, type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Now, with Bitcoin on the brink of yet another all-time high, things are looking very good, especially for these brand new coins that focus on Bitcoin, right? And that is exactly what Bitcoin Hyper is doing. They're building the very first layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. And with that, you can see how it works here. It's a very simple process. You're going to bridge your tokens over from Bitcoin to the Bitcoin Hyper Layer 2. Near instant finality, you guys can swap, transact, send, whatever you want to do. Settlement and security is utilizing zero-knowledge proofs to send that information back to the Bitcoin blockchain. And then when you're ready to withdraw, you simply move it back over from Bitcoin Hyper to the Bitcoin Layer 1. And you are good to go. Now, one of the things that's awesome is that you can transact with near instant finality, meaning your transactions are fast. I bought some Bitcoin on chain the other day, and it took a little over an hour for me to receive it. You know, I'm used to Solana, right? Solana, you can send Solana, and your wallet's got it in 2 seconds. Bitcoin being an hour, it's a long time, right? It's a long time to wait for any cryptocurrency transaction, so Bitcoin Hyper fixes that. It could bring utility back to the Bitcoin blockchain. They've got all of their information on their website, so make sure to check it out. Make sure to study these Google Trend Analytics graphs so that you get a better understanding for yourself of just how much potential is out there. Because every time that I do, and I realize, I can trust these other people that say, well, things are getting a little expensive now, the bubble may burst, all of that. Or you can look at the graphs. You can trust the analytics. You can trust the numbers. And that is what I choose to do. I see so much more potential on the horizon, which is why I'm willing to buy as opposed to willing to sell right now. Let me know what you guys are willing to do down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.